Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Weiser Kwikset Smart Lock Jam. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if your Weiser or Kwikset Smart Lock is jam or stuck or not working properly, generally speaking here, it may need to be re-handed. So in this case, it can correctly determine the locking direction. So in this case, the first thing you want to do here is you want to remove the faceplate and batteries. So in this case, you want to go ahead and take off the faceplate here and off the lock and access the battery compartment and remove all batteries from the lock to reset it. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and press and hold the lock button on the key layout here or keypad while holding the button to insert the batteries one by one. Now, keep holding the button until the lock starts to move on its own. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and basically start moving. Once you feel it start moving, you can go and release the button. So usually the process before allows the lock to learn the door handling, figuring out which direction it should actually turn. Now the lock will determine the correct turning direction here and stop in the lock position, and you could just test if it starts working properly. Now enter your code on the keypad to test if it locks and unlocks correctly, and if everything works smoothly, the lock has been re-handed successfully. So yeah, so if issues persist here, it's best to actually ensure that the lock is properly installed, and also check for any obstructions in the latch or deadbolt. So see if there are any dirt on them. Also, if necessary, reset the lock to factory settings and try the process again. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.